Hey, I just wanted to address all of my viewers. Folks, first off, thank you very much. To my regular viewers, to my occasional or part-time viewers, thank you very much. I would like to mention a change that I am making here on Texas Cooking Today, and this is a format change. Now, over the years, I have been producing two kinds of videos, a tutorial and then a companion recipe video. It was just the short recipe video like most people produce, but I wanted a tutorial to teach each recipe, to teach the details, to get into the stuff that beginning cooks just don't know. So that is what I did the tutorials for. Over the years, I've learned the tutorials are much more popular. So what I've decided to do now that I've entered season 7 is to make this format change. I'm not going to be doing the recipe videos anymore, and I am going to shorten the tutorials to make them a lot more viewable. Let's just say that. I want to get a little more detailed in just the recipe itself and any extraneous data leave out. So that is what I've been focusing on there. The additional video that I'll be doing each week will be something besides the first recipe I do. So I will be teaching basically cooking lessons. And I've started this through a new series that I am calling Easy Weeknight Meals. Now, these easy weeknight meals are something that can be done quickly and on the fly. And that's the whole idea. I would come home after work, after working hard for 8 or 9 hours a day, and then not want to do a whole lot of work in the kitchen. But I still wanted a good meal, and I didn't want to have to pay the restaurant prices. So I came up with a whole series of different recipes that I use as easy weeknight meals. I've already put the first one out, beef tips and rice. The next one's going to be some chicken enchiladas. They're good. And there's a lot more of these great recipes to come. So keep watching and get ready, because there's going to be a lot of good food. Thank you very much. Please take a look at my store, which is S.A.Trotter.com. There's where my recipes are. Also, Texas Cooking Today merchandise has begun there. And I have a lot of other merchandise, so poke around that website. It's fun. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, comments, or desires, please just drop them right down into the comments box, and I do read those. Thank you for watching. You folks have a good day. Bye-bye.